Hello, we're the brothers behind Sproutman. I'm Ari,
I'm Noah.
and we have a question presented to us all the time, and it is, can I grow sprouts from seeds from the bulk bin?
And the answer is no.
No.
And that's because sprouting seeds are specifically selected for growing sprouts. Bulk bin seeds are designed to be cooked, and those are two very different purposes.
Now, there has a few exceptions. I have seen sprouting seeds in the bulk bin. Even our seeds have made it into the bulk bin. If you have something in your bulk bin that's for sprouting specific seeds, that's a different story. But what we're talking about is seeds filtered through these different processes. Sprouting is the most seed-intensive form of agriculture, period. We demand the highest germination. They go through the most rigorous testing to make sure they're safe and healthy. Organic sprouting seeds aren't altered in any way. They're just selected to make sure that they all grow.
And germination rate, just to make sure we're clear on this, is the percentage of seeds that will germinate in a crop. So if a seed says 90% germination, it means that we expect 90% of the seeds that are planted to grow into sprouts. And it's really important with sprouting that we have a high germination rate, and that's because we don't use any additional growing medium. It's simply the seed and the water. And any bad seed, any ungerminated seed will begin to spoil the crop potentially. And it's super noticeable. If you're growing in a garden and seeds don't grow, they'll just compost into the earth. The good seeds will come out of the ground, the bad seeds will disappear. But in a tray of sprouts, if 10% of the seeds don't grow, you'll see that. And that's why that's sort of the bottom of what we like. We like 90% or higher germination. And you can't expect that with seeds that are designed to be cooked.
Certain seeds, like lentils, can be very robust, but often what happens is by the time seeds make it to the bulk bin, they've been filtered out for higher forms of agriculture, microgreens, and sprouting. If a seed knows how to grow, all you have to do is add water, it'll grow, and therein lies the bulk of your success, which is why every Sproutman bag of seeds that we put our label on, Noah and I test personally. We always test our sprouting seeds in the growers that we recommend so that we personally know that it'll work for you. And then if someone asks, we have personal experience with that batch.
So we hope you found this video helpful. You can find more sprouting tips and tricks on this channel, and our seeds and other equipment is available at sproutman.com. Thanks for watching.
Stay sproutful.